Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Truebill for bill negotiation, full guide step by step clearly. To connect with Truebill for bill negotiation, start by visiting the Truebill website. Look for the Get Started button on the home page and click on it. Create an account by entering your email address and choosing a password. Once your account is set up, you will receive a confirmation email. Check your email and follow the link to verify your account. Now, log into your Truebill account using your email and password. On the dashboard, you will see various options. Select Bill Negotiation. Truebill may prompt you to link your bank account for a better analysis. Follow the on-screen instructions to securely link your bank account. After linking your account, Truebill will analyze your current bills. You will receive a summary of bills eligible for negotiation. Review this summary to choose which bills you want Truebill to negotiate. Select the bills you want to proceed with and click the Negotiate button. Truebill will then start the negotiation process on your behalf. You will be updated via email about the status of your negotiations. If successful, the reduced bill amounts will be reflected in your account. You can continue to monitor the progress directly through your Truebill dashboard. Feel free to reach out to Truebill's customer support if you have any questions. That's it, you're now connected with Truebill for bill negotiation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.